Hi there, this is Sajid Rahmani and here is my first Python tutorial. In this video we're going to talk about ones function, a NumPy package which creates a m by n matrix which all of the elements are 1. So in this line we are importing NumPy package as np. So maybe you ask why we are importing NumPy package as np. This as np means we are not killing ourselves all over the code and say NumPy. So we are defining an alias name for this NumPy package and we want to say np instead of NumPy. This is an alias name for this NumPy package. There it is. And in this line we are defining a variable called x and we are saying np, which is that NumPy package, and we say np.ones. It means that we are using the ones function from the NumPy package and we are saying we want, for example, a 3 by 3 matrix which all of the elements are 1. And in line 4 we are printing x. And if we execute the code we see that there is a 3 by 3 matrix which all of the elements are 1. For example, another example, if we say 4 by 3, then we will have a 4 by 3 matrix which all of the elements are 1.